I get this. This is the one pull tab, for the milk. Um, it's a half a gallon of milk or something from the carton or box. So you need to pull the tab so I did not throw away. So it's comfortable in the pinky finger. But anyway, so yes, and so if you wear that way, and then you can said you can flip the other, and you can write down said help. So it's like it's stealth ring. See, you put that in the pinky finger, and I use the. Hopefully, it don't come off, but I am using this permanent marker. I think this one you can use this for like side. You can use in glass. It write down yesterday when I used the glass. I got this in Walmart. You can use this for glass, concrete, and other stuff. But so that's why I just use that to put in my stealth ring. That is plastic. It's not bad right there. So you can even you know you can even hide it in your finger and stuff. But like if you go like gasoline station or something like that, and then you pull. Just wait. I don't have. Next time I wanna have like stand up in the phone. So from example, if you were like that, and then you pull it. Help. Anyway, or you can throw this. You can throw this to the other person or something like that, and then you can read it. And so, see, I just like that, and I just wear it like this. This is not bad like this. If you put right here, it's kind of tight. So the pinky finger is not so hard or anything like that. So, okay, see you later.